We are, hey guys, we are all right, so this was terrible. We have to start over again. Hey guys, we are busy moving into our new shop/studio this week, so we don't have a build video for you today.
But we have been told that some of our best work is not when we're actually building, but when we're messing up. So,
thanks to our editor Jeffrey, we have come up with the best of Shani the Sheep.
enjoy.
Hi guys!
Guys, cross your fingers that it's not too tall. I know it's top heavy, but I have to get under it. Whoa! Steven, why are we shooting this? It's gonna fit. We're gonna need a hammer.
Yeah!
You mad at someone? Just go build one of these.
Floor.
Help!
There's a reason for that because we're eliminating waste. Wait, that did not sound good. We're eliminating waste. An even amount on both sides. The ends we're gonna 2.5 inches, and you've got 2 inches.
Come back here. Stand by.
Like, especially when we're buying inexpensive framing lumber, that they might vary and kind of work just a hair. But this. Whitney, what do you think is the biggest mess up you've ever done?
I can easily say the biggest mess up I've ever had is when I built a dining table 2 inches too high, and the person that I built it for sat down at it and looked very small. So that led to a sledgehammer moment, but all is well. I did adjust the plans. What would you say is the biggest mess up you've done?
I don't make mess ups, I make mistakes. Wait, what is it?
You messed that up even. What would you say your biggest mess up was?
My biggest mess up was probably the giant island because I made it, did I make it too short? I made it 6 inches too short.
Guys, the morning of, you couldn't have scripted it better. Group text. Can't wait for your 8-foot island, and there's silence like crickets.
The owner writes back, you mean 8.5-foot island? I've already prepped the lumber, I've already done the plans, I'm loading my trailer and bringing it to their house.
So there was that.
We fixed it though, and it's beautiful.
Funny, the owners of that are the same owners of the table.
They didn't ask us to build them anything
Lucky
again, I don't know why. We are going to, hold on, okay, sorry. So then our next one, what we'll do, wait, where did I put it? Hold on guys, I have to think out loud for 1 second, right there. Okay, the first 2 really matter. Once you get those lined up, the rest is easy. All right, so I've got that one. You wanna, why isn't this working? Hold on. I don't know, why is this not working? That's the side I need to start with. There we go. Okay, done. So you need to say, we're marking. All right, so, all right, I did the first.
Yeah, it works really
are we
well.
going off? This is working. This is going off. I know. So I lined it up wrong again. Oh my gosh. It's
No,
starting my
hold
head.
on.
Let's go.
Witness. Just gotta look at the legs, set them down, and witness.
She's totally.
Lay the plywood sheet out and we're going. This looks good, so now we're attaching. This looks good, so now we're going to attach. All right, perfect fit. We're gonna attach the same center of each part, and we're gonna, I keep just gate hinges that we purchased for the from. We're done.
Bye guys, see y'all. See you later.
Love how my armpits smell right now. We should come out with like a Shani
Antiperspirant.
deodorant, yeah. Strong enough for a man, but
Pee, balance for a shanty. Go gadget, I lost the mic. Got it? I really lost it. Wow. Like a search and rescue mission. Good Lord. Sorry guys.
Oh, it came off.
It came off and off. Okay.
Here's your
Got a little
fancy, don't let me down.
You're such a glass half full kind of gal.
I really am. Unless we're talking about wine. And then my glass is almost empty. Refill.
Okay.
Here's your one chance fancy, don't let me down.
All right guys, so there you go. There's been a lot of laughs,
A lot of tears.
a little blood,
And some bruises.
but every mistake we make, we are making a memory.
And a learning lesson. And we want to tell you that if we can do it, clearly you can do it.
So happy building.
Intro for your, I dumped you a bunch of videos too, more raw video, sterling moments from, like that one.
Waka waka. Okay. Yeah.